Hey everyone, it's AppTap. In this video, I will show you how to remove your Meta account connection from Facebook. The process is quick and simple, so let's get started. First, open the Facebook application. Once you are on the home screen, tap the three lines menu. Now scroll down a little and find Settings and Privacy. Tap on it. Then select Settings. Inside the setting page, look for See More in Account Center and tap on it. From this list, select your Facebook account. Now tap on Manage. Here you will see the option Move Out of Account Center. Tap on that option. Next, select Move Account. Then tap Continue. Facebook will now ask you to confirm the action. To remove the account from the Meta Account Center, tap Yes, finishing moving. And that's it. Your account will be removed from the Meta Account Center. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.